Hello everyone and welcome to the Big Shop haul. Just in case you're new here, my name is Emer, I'm a chef and I make all the basics from scratch. Every week I take inventory of my kitchen, I then write a menu and write my shopping list based on exactly what I need so I don't overshop or overspend. There's a few things that I like to focus on when I do my grocery shopping. That's supporting local, staying within budget and eating high quality nutritious foods for the most part. All of my shopping haul videos, my menu will be in the caption for you, and then throughout the week I'll post a few recipes for you on my page as well. Okay, let's get into it. Grow HQ. Grow HQ are a refill centre, but they also sell organic milk, eggs and produce along with a load of dry goods as well. The thing that I'm about to show you is organic without me having to say organic every single time. So this is milk from Carlo, 3 Irish leeks, a dozen farm fresh eggs from their farm out in Curramore Estate, a mix of white and red onions, some Irish beets, some red kidney beans, I have Irish spuds, 50 grams of dried nettle, I use this to make tea, Irish carrots, 10 Irish apples, 100 grams of raw peanuts, 3 limes, 1 piece of ginger and 2 bulbs of garlic. Literally. After Grow HQ, I went across to Arcane Stores. Head of Irish broccoli, 2 bunches of gorgeous Irish daffodils that I need to put in water, 2 bunches of organic bananas, 1 courgette or zucchini, 1 bag of bok choy, 1 small bag of mixed chilies, clamshell of fresh cilantro, coriander. Don't kill me. I was in Canada for 10 years, lads. It's hard to crack some habits. Container of mixed grapes, 2 tubs of organic Irish Greek style yogurt, 2 organic avocados, 10 Spanish oranges, 260 grams of my favourite cheese from Arcane Stores, the Carberry, either red or the other cheddar is lovely, and a bag of spaghetti. After Arcane Stores, I went across the road to Aldi. A bag of frozen berries, a tin of instant coffee, a kg of sugar, a small carton of Irish cream, 1 tin of sliced pineapple, 1 bag of long grain white rice, 2 bars of the Roisin chocolate, over 400 grams of Irish mushrooms. This was 99 cents. Orange juice and apple juice. One of my son's favourite cereals, aside from the off-brand Weetabix that they have in Aldi, he also loves these, and the ingredient list is pretty great. 1 bag of strong flour, 1 bag of plain flour, and last but not least, bog roll for my meat and my fish because I haven't even got it yet. I have to go into town to get it. I'm gonna put all this away, have my lunch, and then pop into town and get everything else. Slán! I'm on a time pinch because I have to go get my son, so I haven't even gotten a chance to put away anything yet. We have fish on the menu. We tend to eat it first thing in the week, so I don't have to freeze it or anything. So I tend to put it on a plate. And honestly, I don't cover it either. If it's staying in the fridge for 2 days, I'll put some cling film on it. Or if it's just going to be in the fridge for 1 day, I don't. I got these 3 stunning pieces of trout. And I honestly don't even know what this is going to fit on. But I also got this gorgeous, and I forgot to ask them where the fish was from this week. This gorgeous whole Seabass, which I'm so excited to cook. Wish I had a barbecue though. So that's the fish. And then my meat went down to O'Flynn's, of course. And I obviously don't post these straight away because I have to edit it and everything. So today is National Daffodil Day. So I did donate and I hope everyone else did too. So I was just pottering around town because the weather is yet again stunning. So I got some Irish sausages. Of course, if they're from O'Flynn's, they're Irish. I got a good bit of black and white pudding, a packet of rashers, and also a ham slipper. I actually think that ham slipper was a £5. The size of it, like how many pounds is it? Dozens? Is it a kg? It's a kg. Mental. Okay, the receipts are in the bag, so I do have a list right here of what I just spent. So Grow HQ today was €33.14. Arcane Stores was €39.63. Aldi was €33.12. And a lot of 33s, which is mad because I'm turning 33 in 2 weeks. Billy Burke's was €20.40 and O'Flynn's this week was €17.90. So the total for this week's shopping was €144.19. And that's it. Go on, have a great day, Slán!